Hello guys, it is Thursday morning. I'm gonna go work from a cafe today until an event I have on later. I'm just gonna change my lipstick because I feel like this one, I always do this, don't I? I'm gonna use the It Cosmetics Vision lipstick in cream. They've released a range of lipsticks in both cream and matte formula. That's nice. I thought I would quickly show you some sex toys to start off the weekly vlog. Fast forward a couple of minutes if you're not interested, but for those that are, and maybe for those of you who didn't get yourself a Valentine's Day treat last week, it will have been and gone by the time this video goes up, then maybe you could treat yourself to one of these. I have got 3 things to show you. The first, I never ever showed you what that event was for at Dans Le Noir. I didn't even talk about the event in the end, but it was amazing. To eat a dinner in the complete pitch black was incredible. The food tasted amazing and I actually had a really lovely evening. Like, I don't know, because we couldn't see each other, the conversation that we all had on the table was really kind of personal and deep, and it just, yeah, it was just a lovely event. So I needed to show you what the event was for. The first thing was Smile Makers have launched this new sex toy called the Ballerina. They call it a personal massager and it is beautiful. I haven't actually tried it yet, but I cannot wait. It comes in this nice teal bag and it looks like this. It has the same feel to it as like a stress ball, so you can imagine how kind of just soft it is. And I think it's designed to be placed kind of over the top of the vulva, and I can imagine it feeling just amazing. And it has different vibration patterns. It says it's super silent, so I imagine underneath the blankets you wouldn't be able to hear it that much. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to giving that a go because it's so soft. The second thing that event was for was this, the Feel Unique Feeling Myself box. What an amazing idea, a box full of like deep sensual stuff for you to use with a partner or by yourself. So in the box you have a little do not disturb sign to hang on your door, which is nice. A Smile Maker's personal lubricant. That doesn't look like a lube either, so I think that would be really discreet on your bedside table. We've got some Woo Woo Party Pack condoms, a silk slip hairband to keep your hair in place, a washcloth for anywhere on your body, a little Urban Apothecary velvet peony candle. This smells incredible. This might be one of my favorite things in the box. A Yes for Love excitement gel for women. That sounds fun. Sounds like it might tingle. And the star of the show is this. It's a Innie vibe. I haven't heard of this brand before. Pico Bong. Minimalist looking for maximum pleasure. Zizo's classically curved shaft is fully focused on hitting the internal pleasure points, both high and low. So I'm guessing this is like G-spot vibes. And it says near silent, 12 modes, waterproof. And then the other thing I wanted to show you was the goodie bag that we got from the Tenga event last week. This is toys mainly for men. This is their vacuum cup. This I love, but it's only one use, which is a bit annoying for the environment. But basically you untwist the bottom. It's like a vacuum, so you can control the pressure up here and then use it to have a good time. They've given a Tenga pin, which is so cute. And also these little Ahora, I can't remember how to say this, Iora vibes. And these are the ones I was talking about. They don't look like vibrators because they're so small and discreet. So this only has one vibration pattern speed, but it is waterproof and it gives up to 5 hours. So I might actually give one of these away because I have one already in this colour pattern. So yeah, if you want to win some sex toys, I've also got this to give away because they gave us 2 of each. I've also just spotted this. This is a discount code for 20% off until the 5th of March. So if you did have a partner that you wanted to gift one of these toys to. So tonight I'm off to an event with Stila and Lipsy. I love Stila. It's a makeup brand I adore. I love their glittery cream eyeshadows. They're doing a film screening for a new film called Like a Boss. Lipsy have really kindly gifted a couple of things to wear. So the first is this top, which isn't showing at all against the black, but it's got amazing puffy sleeves. I really love it. It's got a nice like square neckline and the big puffy sleeves. I'm just wearing this with jeans for now to go to the cafe. This is the skirt I'm going to be wearing it with tonight, which I absolutely love, and these amazing boots, which I'm not sure go with the skirt, but I love them. They're like sock boots. They're super comfy and they give me a nice bit of height, so they are contenders. I am ready for the Stiller event now. I've slightly changed my outfit. I'm still wearing this amazing puff sleeve top, but I've put it with black skinny jeans and these amazing sock boots. I love them. The shape of them is so gorgeous. I also have a little clip in my hair. I think this is from Next. I like it a lot, and my fave necklace. Oh my god, I hate my body at the moment. Look at my bloated stomach. Oh my god, this honestly makes me feel so shit. I don't know if it's fat or bloating or if it's just my natural body. I have no idea. Look at this cake. Why has it got a knife in it? It's Valentine's Day. It's quite early. I'm on my way to the cafe again. I don't know what it is. I just love working from a cafe these days. I feel like I'm so much more productive whilst I'm there, because otherwise I'll just potter around the house and I'll start doing some housework and I'll get distracted. Yeah, I'm just like much preferring at the moment, for the type of work I'm doing, just going to a cafe to do it. I'm working on stuff that I can't really talk about at the moment, which is why I haven't been able to show much of like my days, I guess. I'll show you what I'm wearing. I'm actually wearing G's jumper. Really like the colour of this. I never like wear much green, but this is a really nice jumper, and some baggy trousers, and my trainers. I got these from ASOS and I'm absolutely obsessed with them. What do you guys think? They were on sale. I'll leave a link down below. I just think they're such statement shoes, which I don't really have many of, and I'm very much into my pointy heeled boots at the moment, so I love these. Do let me know what you think. I basically wanted to get a pair to kind of not replace, but kind of replace these, because I've had these for a while and they're kind of falling apart because they're suede, and these were like quite similar, the same kind of style with the heel and the point. It is the evening. We're out for our Valentine's Day haul. We've come to the same place we went to last year, which is a swing dancing restaurant thing, and we love it because the menus come with torches. Look at this. How do you turn it on? Oh yeah, look. So good. This looks alright. I've got swordfish and G's got a pork schnitzel. biggest pun. Shard.
Oh, it's London, that. Roadworks on Valentine's Day.
Who works this late on Valentine's Day? Yeah, okay, this is good. It's become a Valentine's tradition
It's become a
It's become a Valentine's tradition that G carries me over some water every Valentine's Day because my heels hurt. Yeah. Last year was Tower Bridge and tonight is St Catherine's Dock. It's a great view. We are home now. What time is it? It's 11:10 Valentine's Day evening. I haven't vlogged this yet, but here he is. You haven't been in my vlog in ages. I need to tell you guys that my top broke. Wait.
Go on, mate.
I also haven't told you that we're babysitting my sister's hamster because she's away at the moment. What I haven't said is we're babysitting my sister's hamster who's called Tibble and he's very lovely. So this is Tibble. I also need to say that my top broke when I was dancing and I only realised because of the vlog that my top was broke. Are you vlogging me or the hamster? How lovely is he? He's so fluffy. He's so fluffy. But we're home now. We're going to make peppermint tea and watch Love Island? No.
Tibble. It's a shit name.
It's from Shakespeare, babe.
It's a shit name.
Tibble. My top broke. So I had to roll it down like a boob tube, but then my boobs were going to fall out because we were swing dancing. But it broke and I only saw because of my vlog. So that was shit, but we made some friends, didn't we? We made friends, they got married in August. They're really nice, but we didn't swap numbers, so we're going to hope to see them again next year. We said same place, same time, same place next year. We don't know if they're going to be there, we will see. Don't mind me wearing a beret. We've been tidying, spring cleaning all morning, and our next job is to water our new plant. And we were told to water him from the bottom, so we're going to get him in the shower and see how this goes. Has anyone got one of these plants? I'd love to know. Wait 1 sec, I'll show you. One of these. And how is it to care for? Right, go for it, babe. He's a big boy. I never show you guys this room. It's very nice. I mean, is it really going to get much that way? Water all of these guys. We've come for brunch. Look at your little t-shirt. How are you feeling? Rough AF. We've just
Can't believe you brought me to Sainsbury's on my hangout, but it's so cruel.
We just did the biggest food shop. We've got an amazing menu planned over the next couple of days. I might do a what I eat in a day or two. I might. Look at this salt I found, it looks so good. Smoked sea salt. I need a salt grinder, but I couldn't find one. I'm very excited about these mini poppadoms that we're going to make with one of our meals next week. And I got this amazing bao bun kit, which I thought was a really fun idea. Mushrooms, carrot, ginger. It is, I think, about 7 o'clock. we are making breakfast for dinner. We're making Brinner. So we have G's making his signature scrambled eggs, which are honestly the best eggs I've ever tasted in my life. We've got mushrooms, asparagus, we've got some nice tomatoes. I'll get it. Then we've got sausages, we've got some sourdough, we've got some hash browns in the oven. Oh, do we want beans?
Yes.
Oh my god, this is such a feast! Hash brown, sausage, scrambled egg, asparagus, mushroom, beans, sourdough. Oh my god, this looks amazing.